very gradual uphill. You see my RPMs and you see my speed, and that grinding sound has been going on for the last half a mile, well, quarter mile. All right, getting slow again. Slow down. Speed up. It's between 25 and 30 miles an hour, about 1,200 RPM. And there you have it.